Grid 4 shows the wreck's bow, initiating ROV launch.
Unbelievable detail.
Examine that hull plate. Check the stress on that bulkhead.
Sonar data is fully synchronized.
Processing the final points now.
At this massive offshore harbor, crews prepare for a complex recovery operation.
Inside this massive facility, precision meets scale. Robots craft a massive recovery cradle.
Hold position on the port side.
The water recedes, revealing history. Pumps drain millions of gallons. The restoration begins.
Station 4 shows 0.5. Minimal corrosion on this plate. Hold the line on that cut, looks perfect. Lowering keel section 4. Align with laser grid green. Lower it slowly. Right there, lock it down. Lower it down. Steady on the left.
At the shipyard, precision is everything. Massive cranes lower the historic funnels into place.
Precision defines every step of the build. Specialists integrate premium materials seamlessly.
Restoring this grand hull requires a blend of human skill and robotic precision.
Easy does it. Align it with the ridge.
Here, precision meets preservation. Every detail is meticulously restored, bringing history back to life.
All propulsion and electrical systems are now online. Automated diagnostics are cycling through final checks. Inside this massive facility, the reconstructed hull undergoes intense pressure. Hundreds of
Oil pressure is holding steady.
radar system is fully operational.
Checking backup comms now.
The historic ocean liner begins its return to the sea. After years of reconstruction, on the open Atlantic, the reconstructed liner begins its first sea trials. During her full-speed performance trials, her massive engines unleash unprecedented power. Today, a legend returns to the sea. Rebuilt, restored, and reclaiming the waves,